Welcome to the Equip4you unboxing video, part of the Equip4you CARE series. In this video is the Karcher K2 Classic Pressure Washer. The included accessories is a 16-foot high pressure hose, a fan jet lance, quick connect hose connector, detergent suction hose, internal water filter, ergonomic trigger gun, and an 18-foot power cord. To connect the high pressure hose to the machine, simply screw onto the unit. To connect the garden hose, firstly screw on the male nipple onto the machine, and then quick connect the female connector which connects to the garden hose. Push and twist to attach the lance to the trigger gun. Thanks for watching. We hope this information helps.